While you are working in Windows, you may find that you need some assistance doing a task or finding a command in a certain computer program. Help is dedicated to providing you information about Windows and its programs. To open Windows Help, click the Start button on the taskbar and choose Help from the Start. Help provides 4 ways to access information about Windows 2000: Contents, Index, Search, or Favorites. Each of these tabs allows you to find information in a different way. This Contents tab provides access to information in much the same way a table of contents directs you to a chapter of information. Here in the Index tab, you'll find a listing of all the help topics. To quickly find a specific help topic, just type the topic name into the first text box, and Help will display entries that begin with that word. Let's type centering. Great! Windows has scrolled to entries that begin with the word centering. Double-clicking any item on this list will display that help item. This help topic contains a shortcut icon and link. Shortcut icons and their links allow you to actually perform the task discussed in the help topic. In this case, clicking the shortcut icon or its link will open the Display Properties dialog box where you could center wallpaper. Notice that the words wallpaper and pattern are green and underlined. A word or phrase that is green and underlined is a term. When you move the mouse pointer over a term, it turns from an arrow to a hand icon, and the term turns red and displays a screen tip. Clicking a term will display a small box with a definition or short description. Click again to make the pop-up box disappear. Let's take a look at the description for pattern. For your convenience, we have scrolled to the bottom of the window for you. Notice that at the bottom of the window there is a link labeled Related Topics. Clicking a Related Topics link will display a menu of help topics that are related to the topic that is being displayed in the help window. If any of these topics interest you, just click it and that topic will replace the one being displayed. As you can see, the help window is just like any other window. You can move it, size it, minimize it, or close it. You can also keep it open for as long as you wish, even while you do your work in different programs. Notice the 5 buttons just under the Help window title bar. From the Help window toolbar buttons, you can hide part of the window, move forward and back, use options such as printing, and get help right from the web. Let's explore this toolbar before we continue. If you have access to a printer, you can print help information. To print out a help topic, click the Options button and choose the Print command. To print an entire subject of help information, click a book icon under the Contents tab, then click Print on the Options menu. From the Web Help button, you can get technical support or download Windows updates via the Internet. Let's take a look at this now. From here, you can gain access to the Windows 2000 homepage, search for information about Windows 2000, and download updates to Windows 2000. You will, however, need to have access to the Internet to use this help feature. Windows needs to make sure that important information is saved to disk before you flip the computer's power switch off. So because shutting down your computer is such an important process, Windows includes a shutdown command right on the Start button menu. The shutdown command prepares your computer to be turned off. Let's take a look. When you choose Shutdown, the Shutdown Windows dialog box is displayed. 4 options are available from the drop-down list. Let's explore the drop-down list before we continue. Let's practice shutting down the computer by clicking the OK button. This is a simulation only, so we will not actually shut down your computer. Windows displays this message box while your computer is preparing to shut down. You may need to wait for several minutes while Windows saves information to your hard drive and the network server before Windows actually shuts down. In this chapter, you have learned how to start Windows 2000 and about some of the most common Windows 2000 icons and components. You also learned how to get help in Windows 2000 and how to shut down your computer.